Espressos have surged in popularity as coffee enthusiasts seek cafe-quality beverages at home. Similar to the precision and tactile satisfaction of mechanical keyboards for typists and gamers, an espresso machine must balance performance. List number: the Breville Bambino BES450 is a compact, high-performance espresso machine built for home baristas seeking professional results. Featuring a 15-bar Italian pump, it delivers optimal pressure for extracting rich, full-flavored espresso. Its brushed stainless steel construction combines durability with a sleek, modern design. The fast heat-up system ensures you're ready to brew in just 3 seconds, while the steam wand enables creamy microfoam for lattes and cappuccinos. Easy-to-use controls make it ideal for beginners, yet the machine's performance satisfies more experienced users. With its small footprint and high-quality output, the Breville Bambino provides excellent value under $300 for anyone wanting cafe-quality espresso at home. List 2. The Gevi espresso machine is a versatile 20-bar espresso maker featuring an integrated grinder with 35 precise grind settings, allowing you to tailor the coffee grind for maximum flavor extraction. The professional-grade pump ensures rich crema and consistent pressure throughout the brewing process. It comes with a steam wand for milk frothing, perfect for cappuccinos and lattes. The compact design fits comfortably in most kitchens, while user-friendly controls make it accessible to beginners. For coffee lovers who want customization, convenience, and high-quality espresso without breaking the bank, the Gevi 20-bar espresso machine is an outstanding choice under $300. List number 3. The Casabrews CM5418 combines affordability with powerful 20-bar pump pressure to produce smooth, aromatic espresso shots. Equipped with a steam milk frother, it's perfect for crafting cappuccinos, lattes, and other specialty drinks. Its compact design makes it ideal for small kitchens, while the intuitive control panel simplifies the brewing process. The machine supports both ground coffee and pods, providing flexibility for different preferences. Durable materials and a sleek finish ensure longevity and a modern aesthetic. The Casabrews CM5418 is perfect for home users seeking high-quality espresso with versatility and convenience under $300. List number: the DeLonghi Stilosa manual espresso machine is an excellent entry-level option for espresso enthusiasts who enjoy hands-on brewing. Its 15-bar pump ensures optimal extraction, producing rich and flavorful espresso. The compact, lightweight design is ideal for kitchens with limited space. The professional-grade portafilter and steam wand allow precise milk frothing for lattes and cappuccinos. Easy to assemble and operate. It's perfect for beginners or anyone who prefers a manual brewing experience. Combining performance, portability, and affordability, the DeLonghi Stilosa delivers a high-quality espresso experience under $300. List number 5. The Gevi commercial espresso machine is designed to deliver cafe-quality results at home. With a powerful 20-bar pump and professional-grade portafilter, it produces rich, full-bodied espresso with consistent crema. The integrated milk frother creates velvety microfoam for specialty drinks, while user-friendly controls allow easy operation. Its durable construction and compact design make it suitable for both small kitchens and home offices. Ideal for coffee lovers seeking commercial quality performance without the commercial price tag.
This machine provides excellent versatility, convenience,
And reliability under $300.